honestly, I'm not sure if this is going to be a new video or if it's going to be part of the one I was already recording. Either way, I don't know. You guys got to know anyway. So whether the video's been out or whatever, you got to know what's happening. So I want to start it yesterday. If if you've already seen it because it's on YouTube, there you go. But if not, I'll play a clip in this video. Okay, let's go into the junkyard. But I mean, you can see we have devolved in terms of the evolution of why. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, you know what I mean. I've taken this apart. We've gone backwards. Now this thing doesn't start. It just clicked, as you heard. Now, first thing I thought is, you know what? Let's see if I get lucky. I went out to the store and I bought a starter. Good deal, you know, whatever. So I bought a starter, I threw it in, still the same thing. I tried jumping the solenoid, I tried cleaning the grounds. Not electrical, I knew that. But, if you remember from the video that we rebuilt this thing, or put it back in rather, I couldn't spin it. I couldn't take the ratchet and spin the engine over after I put the balancer on, or at least that's when I noticed it. But, what I did today is I unbolted a few of the torque converter nuts and got it to spin. But it's not all good news, because I did get it to spin. I got to all the nuts, and as you can see, look, this engine spins over just fine now. No effort really required. And, you know, hunky-dory. At least this thing's not an interference engine. You think, well, why does that matter? Well, because no matter how much you spin this engine, none of the valve train moves. So, that means one of a couple things. Possibly, the timing chain snapped, a sprocket got stripped, or the camshaft snapped. Now, honestly, you know, the reason why part of the engine is taken apart now is because I got to take the timing cover back off after I filled it with coolant, after all this stuff. So I gotta take this timing cover back off, and honestly, that is incredibly annoying, but whatever. I'm gonna take it back off, and we're gonna assess the damage. You guys absolutely do not need to see this thing get torn down again. So I'm gonna take this all apart, and we'll see what's in there. Already gave up yesterday, but it's now the next day, and I just finished getting the last bolt out of this timing cover. I have not seen what's beneath it. So, okay, so I'm about to find out with you for the first time. Let me get a bucket under that. Okay. That's not a good sign. There is so much coolant in this oil pan. That's why I like the Chevy design better, the way that the oil pan does not come underneath the timing cover. Like on a Chevy 350, the oil pan will stop at the block rather than come all the way out to here, but yeah. That's just how it goes sometimes. So let's see if I can get this out. I left the power steering pump and alternator assembly in because I already put the power steering fluid in and the alternator fluid in, and I don't want to drain it all. So I'm just gonna pull this off here. Come on, let's try now. Oh wow! Oh wow! Holy cow! Okay, yeah. Let's get this thing off here. Alright, I know you guys can't really see, but let's just get this thing off here. Holy crap. Okay, let's assess the damage. So, when I heard something snap, I sure heard something snap. Oh my god. This is a double roller chain and a double roller crank sprocket that sheared off. I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is my fault. I know exactly what happened. Holy crap. I put the crank sprocket on backwards. Folks, I put the crank sprocket on backwards. When I was editing a video, maybe like, I don't know. It was a video of us rebuilding this motor. And and as I was going over the footage, I was like, oh boy, did I put the crank sprocket on backwards. And I went to go take the timing cover off, and I totally forgot to do it. I put it on backwards. Oh my God. So, because I was so worried, because I thought, okay, well, the good thing this isn't an interference motor. The valve train wasn't moving, and I thought, well, I got to find out why the camshaft bound up. You know, I got to find out exactly what the heck, you know, would cause the camshaft to stop and the crank to spin freely and then snap the chain, you know, but it's not. It's the fact that the roller is on backwards. Oh my God. I cannot believe that. Okay, let's get this old sprocket off. Okay, I've been at this for about an hour, trying to get this damn crank bolt off, and when I finally feel like, oh, you know what, I know what I'm gonna do, I put this bolt here, and I'm ready to have this thing come out, and sure enough, the end of the camshaft snaps off. like, come on. Okay, so yeah, no, now, so this motor, I mean, I'm so fed up with this motor. I feel like this motor's got 200,000 or 343,000 kilometers on it. So I'm thinking it's absolutely not worth it. I don't know. I feel like I want to put something else in this motor for sure. I actually recorded a video and didn't end up posting on an Instagram, but I was going to say, you know, hey, I feel like I could probably put something better in this thing, and yeah, I think so. So it needs a camshaft now. The end of the camshaft has sheared off, as you can see, totally sheared off, and then I dropped the sprocket in the bucket of coolant. So as you can see, if I just take this this end, what do you call it, the I can't remember the name of this thing. It keeps the camshaft in. It's just this blocking ring plate. Anyway, so I'll see if the camshaft budges. If it slides right in and out and doesn't need new bearings, maybe I'll put a camshaft in it. But honestly, I really don't feel like it. I feel like I want to get rid of this motor, get rid of this transmission, and put something else in it. In fact, I'm going to try and get this camshaft out right now. I'm going to put a bolt in it and see if it moves. And if not, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm real fed up with this, and you know, I know now, now that I've done a little bit more research here into my own thoughts. I'm going to not have the starting video as a separate video, because there was nothing to see. All you see is the click. So that's going to be part of this video. I would have already played the clip already. And yeah, no, this is very frustrating, but hey, you know what, life goes on. I don't want to get rid of the car, I really don't. I like the car, but I really don't like the motor. Honestly, the 351 Windsor, it's a great motor, but I think I got a lemon. Honestly, I didn't. It's a given. It's to be expected. I mean, old motor, it's how it goes. I just got unlucky with the camshaft. But that makes me think that the camshaft is binding up. So, anyway, let's get this underway. I'm gonna move the distributor, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens here. I'll see if this thing moves. Alrighty then. So, yeah, okay, this is gonna conclude the video. I just I unbolted all of the rockers here, so they're all loose. There's no valves or push rods pushing on any lifters. Although, I have to take the lifters out to get to the camshaft. I am not doing that. I'm not taking the intake all back apart. Honestly, I'd rather pull the engine out and put something else in it. Now, if you remember, another engine pulling video we had on this channel was the 1993 Green Crown Victoria. Now, I know I'm going to get people that are going to say you should put that engine in here. I might. I haven't decided, but I feel like I want something cooler. Let me piss off everybody real quick. I'm thinking, maybe, about putting a Chevy 350, something like that in here. I look at, and now, double piss off everybody. I'm thinking, I think of Chevy 350s as generic engines. You know, you go to Harbor Freight in the U.S., and you pull an engine off the shelf, and it's like house brand. You know, they're good engines, they're very simple, they never break. Because, I mean, they're just generic. They don't have anything crazy with them. They didn't experiment with anything new. So it's just, you know, a generic engine. And I'm thinking I'm thinking I might put one in here. That would be pretty cool. Of course, I'd have to make some engine mounts. But I don't know. I feel like that's something I might do. I don't know what kind of transmission I'd put it. But I mean, I'd just pull these two out as an assembly, drop it on Facebook Marketplace or something. Say, come get it. Comes with tons of stuff. You put a camshaft in it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm at a loss. Honestly, you guys got to let me know. This video should be up either today or tomorrow, and today is August, I think, 9th or 10th. You guys got to let me know what you want to see, and I'm very sorry. I feel like I've let down people. I feel like people have, they're like, I can't wait to see this thing start. It's not that I couldn't get the engine in. It's that I put the frickin' thing on backwards, sheared off the gears, cracked the crankshaft, snapped the chain, and I had the torque converter a little bit too tight. Sorry about that, just thought that there might have been a fire over there. Anyway, no, this thing smells very strange. I'm not sure what that smell is. It smells carcinogenic, so I'm not going to breathe any more of it, but I don't know, man. I'm ready to pull this thing out as an assembly, just honestly leave the drive shaft hooked up and just pull it out as one assembly. Undo the mounts, undo the transmission mounts, a couple of wires and stuff, and pull it out of there. That would probably take me an hour maybe, and I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. Just take the accessories off, take the carburetor off, and just lift it out of there. Thinking that's what I want to do. I don't know, you guys got to let me know. Something's got to happen soon though, because look at this. I've ruined the driveway. This isn't water, this is oil. That's oil. All under here dripping, that's coolant. Underneath that big giant one, that's transmission fluid. I've got more oil underneath there. I got some power steering fluid under there. So I've ruined both my dad's driveway and the surface of his garage floor in the back where the Cadillac is parked. Well, both Cadillacs have ruined that surface. But anyway, yeah, so I don't know what to do. This is still a good car. I think it's a handsome car, and I don't want to get rid of it, but I do want to get rid of that engine. Honestly, I'm piss off even the Ford people. I'm not really a Chevy guy or a Ford guy. I have been more of a Ford guy all my life, but honestly, I'm not biased. I don't stick to one brand and say I'm a Chevy guy, I'm a Ford guy. I'm really pissing off the Chevy guys and the Ford guys in this video. Not a huge Windsor fan, not a huge Cleveland fan. It's just not my kind of, I don't know what it is. I'm a Triton fan, so triple piss off the Ford guys. I mean, they're like, wow, you don't even pick a Coyote. You pick the Triton? I don't know, guys. I think I might be a little bit, so, I don't know. Anyway, I gotta get out of here, but I don't know, I don't know, you guys gotta let me know today. I'm gonna be reading comments like crazy today. You guys leave a comment below this video. I really do want to hear your input. I want to hear what you think. I want to hear all your thoughts. If you want to tell me how insane I am, and my God, what a waste of time and money, do it. I want to hear it. I want to hear all of your positive and negative feedback. If you liked the video, give it a like. Seriously, if you didn't like it, give it a dislike. I'm prepared to take it. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna pull this thing out of there. I've pretty much decided I want to just go find a Chevy 350 somewhere or something, maybe out of a motorhome, and just drop it in here. But we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks again for watching. You gotta excuse my hair. And comment. Seriously, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think it would be cool to see a Chevy 350 in here. Maybe I'll go to the junkyard. Right now there's an LTD Crown Victoria. Oh my God. Right now there's an LTD Crown Victoria in the junkyard with a 5.0. Maybe I'll get that. It's a 5.0. It's pretty much the same damn thing as this one, just with a little bit less displacement. 0.8 liters less displacement. So, anyway, I don't know. You guys gotta let me know. Anyway, other than that, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.